movement that you can aram se go in and out, you know. So it's good, and it's, I mean, all the evidence we're getting is that it's working very well. That is the only way forward.
Kumga jingpin kre ban pinbit pinbiangi ki oxygen khnang baga jilla kanum mat jing e kumba kiwei ki jilla ki mat kumba kiwei ki jilla ki mat naga jingbom dan oxygen ki jaka sumar ye ki bayo pang covid-19 umintri rangba ka jilla Conrad ki sangma ka singning kong ulali ban jurip ye ka oxygen plant ka badan habat nihat Hariboi district kat kum ga jingpin tip jung mintri rangba kani ka jaka kani ka oxygen plant ka pynmih kumba 8000 cubic meter ha ka chisngi.
Yeah, this is the Pynmih Oxygen Private Limited. It's a company that is manufacturing and manufacturing oxygen, and therefore, as the COVID situation is seeing in the country today, we are very fortunate that this particular manufacturing unit is in our state, and our objective is really to make sure that. If the need arises and if there is a situation in the future where other states are facing, we should be better prepared. And the idea is to coordinate with the management out here for any kind of supply that's required in case, as I said, the situation arises. Hopefully, we will not have to face a situation like that, which we're seeing in the rest of the country, but one cannot say. So we need to be prepared from all fronts. So I've come here to visit the manufacturing unit to make sure that there are no difficulties, challenges they're facing. Also to ensure that there's a coordination between the management here and our health department and our district administration for any kind of logistical support and also for future logistical supply to different parts of the state if necessary. So that was the objective, the purpose of our visit. I'm very happy to see the setup here and very happy to see the management. They are very much committed and they have given us an assurance that the state and the health will be given priority in any circumstance. Thank you.